Hello guys, my name is Aleva Shiondo and I'm the lead photographer at Aleva Photography. Today we'll be doing a pre-wedding shoot and then I want you to follow me and watch how I do my shoots. For the photographers that are watching, you can tag along and watch me see how I do my shoots. Maybe there will be one or two things you can learn from this shoot. Currently I have my beautiful couple here, Gloria and Caleb. So follow me and watch how I do my shoots. I'm using a 2-light setup here. I have a godox AD600 Pro and I'm going to use my godox V850 over there. So watch me. And then one more thing, I am also interested in the sunset, which is going to add another light to this great picture here. So just watch me shoot. And the media crew.
Yeah, the assistant. Yeah.
What's happening here is my main light here, throwing light, and then the reflector here is going to reflect and fill up the light, fill up the shadows, and then I want a bluish light coming from the background over there. So watch this. Good evening, ma. Bye, ma. Alright, working here. Oh, you want to see what it looks like?
Oh, it's
I think the outdoor shoots. Now we can go back inside the studio and try another look with a different outfit. And one more thing, please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching from Facebook, kindly go to YouTube and search for Aleva Photography. Turn on your post notification. If you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe as well and turn on your post notification. It really means a lot to me. And please do your best to share to your social media handles and everywhere.